I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the basics ready, so make sure your iPhone is updated and you're signed into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled. Once done, open Wallet and tap the plus button to start. You'll be prompted to add a credit, debit, or transit card, position the card in the camera frame, or enter numbers manually. You do this now because Wallet links cards to Apple Pay, which secures transactions with device-specific tokens rather than sharing your real card number. You'll now focus on verification, so your card is authorized for payments. After scanning or entering details, choose the verification method your bank offers, often SMS, email, or an authentication in the bank's app, and approve the request. Make sure to set a default card if you want it used automatically, and enable Express Transit for quick rides without Face ID. This step ties the bank's approval to your device's secure element, which is why verification is required. Finish by adding any passes. Open a ticket email, tap Add to Wallet, or import from apps and websites. Once your passes and cards appear, test Apple Pay with a small purchase or use Express Transit at a reader to confirm seamless operation. Make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode is set for authentication. If something fails, restart your device, verify Wallet and Apple ID settings, and contact the issuing bank. Often the bank's verification step is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.